project with my brother's delivery box. Look at this. I need to make and come up with 2 boxes for his delivery work. And so I'm gonna start with what I would need. Like right now, to protect myself, my eyes, I got to have my eyewear. I got to wear my mask. Yes, I need my angle ruler, then my marker, and yes, my favorite chainsaw. No, this is not a chainsaw. This is like a portable, what do you call this? Circular saw. There you go. So later I'll show you the details of how it's gonna be. Thank you. Guys, I'm gonna start with my frame for the box. So here is what I need. I need my measuring rod, my marker, and this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be for 40. So I'd mark it here, and then I'd have my level ruler, my angle ruler. I'd use. Uh-oh, my marker's not very good. But at least I can see that's what it's for. Then I start cutting it. And to do that, I got to get away of everything around me to keep myself safety. Okay, so here I got to remember my eyewear. Got to remember my mask. And now I need my circular saw. I'm done with my circular saw, and I already had my frames cut according to their specific sizes, and all I need are my like nails, different kind of sizes, my clamps, my magic clamps, you know, my clippers, and my wonderful, amazing, teeny tiny hammer. So now I'd like to start with my hammer moves. Thank you. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna make my frame and got to ask help from my good clippers. So with that, then I'm gonna clip it so it's gonna be easy peasy for me to do my hammer work. Yeah, I just need to have a little bit of my muscle work here. Okay, so see, if you try to look at it, it's all clipped for my frame. Now for my hammer work, I would need my hammer for sure, and I'll do my nails so I can assemble my frame. And with that, I get to see to it I am in the right corner. And always when we try to poke our nail with a hammer, not to be with gentleness, accuracy, because we don't wanna miss it. But I'm missing it already. My clip is not holding me. My clip is not helping me. Let me just fix this for a while. and be with you. Okay, now when you poke it, just stick to it. You poke it good. There you go. It's like there and it's fixed already. There you go. And now I think I'm good and I'm ready to show you my frame. My frame for my box. There you go. There she is. So if you notice here, look at this. I got all the bottom and the top frames, and now I'm gonna have to make it like a finishing frame to make it stand, to make the box stand. So I got to be more accurate here, because. I'd be fine without it. The frame is good by itself. There you go. Should be good. My box number 1 is done. And I will have another frame for the second box. Guys, so I got to continue with the project because yesterday it was not done as I aimed it. It's basically because of a hard rain. I can't go on working outside with a very hard rain, so I got to stop and do some chores inside the house instead. So today I'm gonna work on these 2 frames that I've done already. So I'll keep on and work on this and give you the details in a little bit. Thank you. So guys, I'm gonna work on the plywood thing so I can finish my frames. Okay, so to start with it, I got to measure. Okay, so if you can see, take a look closer, I got markings of what am I gonna cut for what I needed. So I've used my wood for my longer. So just done doing my, like, really sewing it manually, and it's really like so much massive work for me, but it's fun, and I'm like sweat out, so wet now, but I'd be good with that. And the plywood's ready, and I'm about to make the brother so happy. So here I'm gonna now cover my frame with the plywood so I can finish it. I have to start in one corner with my teeny tiny nails, and then leave it like that for now. Guys, I'm on my sanding time. I'm done putting the plywood in my frame, and now I'm gonna sand it so it's gonna be nice and cool and smooth. Okay, I'll show you how it works. Here first. There you go. Then you see this? You got to press this and press this as well. So 2 press. See? This is very smooth now. But you wanted to do it on this side too. You don't want rough stuff here. Okay, I'm gonna do this here too. Woohoo! So smoothly. Okay, so finally I'm gonna do it. It's extended again. It rained this afternoon and I got more people who came this evening, so I got to stop my work, my project. But it's really important that it's be done and be ready for tomorrow first thing in the morning. So I got to overtime and I'm not gonna sleep without finishing it, just for making my brother happy. Morning, guys! So I was able to do it last night, but it was really late and I thought my camera girl and my editor is really very tired, so I don't want to bother her anymore. So I choose to sleep and just decided to come over this morning to show you the finished product. So this is the box that I've been working on. I got 2 and I was able to do it well. Look out. There you go. Another one here. So my brother should be very happy. I have muscle sore, but I'd be fine as long as my brother is good and happy. Watching this video. I hope you learned something from Mommy's muscle work, my carpentry project. I'm excited to share other stuff in the future. But please don't forget to like,